This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can filter content by color in Google Sheets. Here I have a spreadsheet with a bunch of data, and let's suppose I only want to see which cells are colored green here, or only want to see the cells where the text is purple or the text is orange, or where the text isn't colored at all, which means it's black. The first thing you need to do is create a filter, and you do that by highlighting your header row and then coming over here to the right and selecting Create a Filter. Doing that will allow you to now filter your content. So if I want to filter column B by the colored cells, you click on these three lines, then you select Filter by Color. Here you will have the option of filtering by the filled color, since there are only cells here with filled in colors. And if I only want to see the green cells, I would select green. So now I can only see the content of the cells in this column that are filled in green. So now I'm going to reset this filter so that I can see everything. And let's do that same thing with the color of the text itself in column E. So in order to see just the cells with purple text, you click on these three lines, then you select Filter by Color, then select Text Color, since only text is colored in this cell. And let's say I only want to see the orange text. So I will select orange, and now I only see the content of the cells that are orange in this column. So this video shows you how to filter by color in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.